In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get PolyBuzz to send pictures. By default, many users only get text responses in PolyBuzz, and that can be frustrating if you want the bot to send you images or memes. The good news is that PolyBuzz does support picture generation and sharing, but it's not always turned on out of the box, and you need to tweak a couple of settings to unlock it. The first step is to make sure you're on the latest version of the PolyBuzz app, since image support has only rolled out in the 2025 update. You can check this either on the App Store, Google Play, or the official PolyBuzz site if you're using the web version. Once you've updated, head into the settings panel and look for the media sharing or AI image mode toggle. Enabling this allows PolyBuzz to attach image results alongside text replies. If you don't see the toggle, it usually means your account is still flagged as text only, and you may need to refresh your session or relog. Another method is to use PolyBuzz Premium, since some of the AI's image generation features are locked behind a subscription tier. Upgrading gives you access to higher quality picture generation, animated stickers, and faster processing. If you're still on the free plan, you might be limited to occasional meme style responses. One pro trick is to join PolyBuzz's official Discord or community hub, where they often drop test codes that unlock experimental features like picture sharing for free accounts. When chatting with PolyBuzz, you also need to phrase your request in a way that triggers the image module. For example, instead of just saying show me a cat, try send me a picture of a cat or generate an image of a cat. This distinction matters because the AI is context sensitive, and in 2025 the devs have fine-tuned it to respond more naturally to explicit requests for pictures. If you're using PolyBuzz on desktop, images will appear as downloadable attachments, while on mobile they usually load inline in the chat. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.